Today, we're going to be talking about the builder design pattern. The builder design pattern is a, let me just get this right, is a creational design pattern that helps you abstract away a complex creation of a model in such a way that at the end, you just call .build or something similar on the model. And let me just hop over to code. So here we can see C# program CS is a classic place where you're going to see builder. So here, var builder equals create builder, right? So now we have this builder object. And the design pattern is by chaining on commands to enhance or change the way that the object is going to be created. At the end, we abstract away a lot of things, right? If you had to do apps and then set a bunch of properties, like with cores, with controllers, with service methods, with services, with DB context, with adding providers, all these things, it could get really complicated. But here we have a builder, and then we just add service methods. Super simple. So if you look at this builder class, the web application builder, here, there's things you can pass into it, so just like a normal class. But the important part is the build method. It returns the application, web application. So here in the conceptual model, we have a builder class and an app class. But you could do this for anything, right? You could have a service builder and then a service class. You could have a DB query and a DB query builder, right? So super simple, super quick. Want to keep this one short because builder classes are really simple but super effective and make your codes look super slick when you get things like builder.addServiceDefaults and then at the end, builder.build.